not late?
No.
I worried all day. I was so afraid Father wouldn't let me come. He and my stepmother just went out. The sky turned red. The moon was rising. And I raced the horse, raced him, but now I'm happy.
You've been crying. I can tell by your pretty eyes. That won't do. It just won't do.
I'm all right now. I'm just out of breath. Please, let's hurry. I have to leave in half an hour. Please don't make me stay longer. I can't. My father doesn't know I'm here.
It's time to begin anyway. I'll go call the others.
I'll go. I'm going. Oh, Grandpa, return to Grandpa dear.
My father and his wife forbid me to come here. They say it's bohemian. They're afraid I'll become an actress. But I'm drawn here to this lake like a seagull. My heart is full of you.
Don't go early, please.
I must.
Don't.
I must.
Then I'll follow you home. I'll stand all night in the garden looking up at your window.
No, don't. The watchman would see you, and Trethor doesn't know you. He'd bark.
I love you. Who is that? Is that you, Jakob?
Yes, sir.
Take your places. It's time to begin.
Yes,
Is
sir.
the moon up?
Yes,
You
sir.
got the methylated spirits?
Yes, sir.
Is the sulfur ready?
Yes, sir.
When the red eyes appear, there must be the smell of sulfur.
Yes, sir.
You better go. Everything is ready. Are you nervous?
Yes, terribly. It's not so much your mother. I'm not afraid of her. But Trigorin. It terrifies me acting in front of him. A famous writer. Is he young?
Yes.
He writes wonderful stories.
I wouldn't know. I haven't read them.
It's hard to act in your play. There are no living characters in it.
Living characters. I must portray life not as it is, not as it ought to be, but as it appears in dreams.
But in your play, there's no action. It's just talk. And I think a play should have love in it.
Attention, please, ladies and gentlemen. Attention, please. I'm about to begin. I begin.
Cranes no longer wake and cry in the meadow, and the may beetle's hum is silent in the linden groves. Cold, 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 empty, 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 terrible, terrible, terrible. The devil, my mighty enemy, approaches. I see his terrible blood-red
I
eyes.
can smell sulphur. Is that part of the play?
Yes.
Oh, I see it's a stage
Mother.
play.
But without
Put
man,
your
the devil
hat
is
on
lost.
or you will catch cold. The doctor
Put it
has
on.
taken his hat off to the devil, the father of
Play's
eternal
over.
matter.
That's enough. Play's over. That's enough. Close the curtain. Close the curtain. Close the curtain. Play's over.
Why are you so angry?
Forgive me, I forgot. Only a chosen few can write plays and act in them. I've infringed upon a monopoly. I
guess we're not going on, so I may as well come out.
Bravo, bravo.
Bravo.
Let me introduce Boris Alexeyevich Trigorin.
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm always reading you.
Don't be shy, dear. He may be famous, but he has a simple heart. See? He's embarrassed too.
A strange play, isn't it?
I didn't understand a word of it, but I enjoyed it very much. I thought you acted with great sincerity.
I must go. Goodbye.
Where must you go? Why so soon? We won't let you go.
Papa's expecting me.
That man, really. It can't be helped. I'm so sorry. So sorry to lose you.
If you only knew how hard it is for me to go.
Constantine, I liked your play very much. It's strange, and of course I didn't hear the end, but it left a strong impression on me. You got talent, you must go on writing.
So you think I should go on?
Yes, but write only about what's important and eternal. I've lived a long, varied life. I've enjoyed myself. But if I had had the luck to experience the ecstasy of creating, I would have despised this body. I would have soared over the earth, been carried off to the heights. And
Excuse me, where's
another
Nina?
thing, if you venture down our artistic path for no reason, you lose your way, and your talent will destroy you.
Where's Nina?
She's gone home.
Then what should I do?
Calm down.
I want to see her.
Calm down.
I must see her. I'm going.
Please go inside, Constantine. Your mother wants you. She's worried about you.
Tell her I've gone. All of you, please, just
Come,
leave me alone.
boy.
Stop
You
following
shouldn't
me.
act like that. It's
Thank
not
you, Doctor.
right.
Goodbye. Are you alone here?
Yes. What is that supposed to mean?
I was low enough to kill this seagull today. I lay it at your feet. What is there to understand? My play failed. Now you despise my inspiration. You consider me worthless and insignificant, just like everybody else does. I understand that. How well I understand that. It's like a spike in my brain. And may it be damned, and damn my pride, which is sucking my blood, sucking it like a leech. Oh, here comes the real genius. Walking like Hamlet and with a book. Words, words, words. The sun has hardly reached you and you're already smiling. Your glance is melting in its rays. I won't stand in your way.
Takes snuff, drinks vodka, always wears black, schoolmaster in love with her.
Good morning, Boris Alexeyevich.
Good morning. Things have taken an unexpected turn. It seems that we are leaving today. It's not likely that you and I shall ever meet again. I'm sorry. I don't often get to meet young women. Young, interesting women.
I'd like to be in your shoes,
Why?
to know how it feels to be a famous, gifted writer. What is it like to be famous? How does it affect you?
How? I don't know. Not at all, I expect. It's not something that you think about. One of two things. You either exaggerate my fame, or it's simply something that just one doesn't feel.
If you read about yourself...
Well, if I read about myself and they praise me, then I'm very happy. And if they abuse me, I'm in a bad mood for a couple of days.
Oh, how wonderful.
You speak of happiness, you speak of fame, of a bright, interesting life. Well, all of these fine words are like sugar plums, which I never eat. They're very young and very kind.
But when you're inspired and creating, surely you must have moments of exalted happiness.
Yes. Yes. When I am writing, when I am reading proofs, I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy. But then they get published, and then I can't bear it.
You've worked too hard, and you don't have the time or the desire to realize your own importance. You may be dissatisfied with yourself, but to others, you are a great and wonderful man. If I were a writer like you, I'd give my whole life to the people, but I would know that the only happiness for them would be in rising to my level, and they would harness themselves to my chariot.
Chariot? What am I? Agamemnon?
For the happiness of being a writer or an actress, I would endure anything. Poverty, disillusionment, the hatred of my family. I'd live in a garret. I'd eat black bread, suffer agony over my limitations. But in return, I would demand fame. Real, resounding fame. My head is spinning.
It's you. We're just leaving.
I knew we'd meet again, Boris Alexeyevich. I've made up my mind. The die is cast. I'm going on the stage. I won't be here tomorrow. I'm running away. I'm leaving Father, giving up everything, and beginning a new life. I'm going to Moscow, like you. We shall see each other there.
And you begin to believe that there might actually be a world spirit similar to the one that Nina acted in your play. By the way, where is she? How is she?
All right, I suppose.
I heard she's leading a rather strange life. What does that mean?
Oh, it's a long story, Doctor.
Make it a short one.
She ran away from home and had an affair with Trigorin. You knew that, didn't you?
Yes, I know.
She had a child. The child died. Trigorin got tired of her, and he went back to his old attachments, as might have been expected. He'd never really given them up, but in his spineless way, managed to be everywhere at once. As far as I know, Nina's personal life has not been a success.
And on the stage?
Even worse. She made her debut in a small summer theater near Moscow. Then she went on to the provinces. Wherever she went, I followed. I never took my eyes off her. What was that? Can't see anything. Who's there? Nina? Nina? Nina, it's you. It's you. It's you.
I knew it. I knew it. I had a feeling. I've been tormented all day. Oh, my sweet. My darling, she's come at last.
Don't cry. Let's not cry.
Someone's here.
No one. There's no one.
Lock the doors. Someone might come in.
No one will come in.
I know Irina Nikolaevna is here. Lock the doors.
There's no lock on this one. I'll put a chair up against... Don't be afraid. No one will come in.
Let me look at you. It's warm. Cozy. This used to be the sitting room. Am I very changed?
Yes. You're thinner. And your eyes are bigger. Yeah, it's strange to really be looking at you. Why didn't you let me come see you? Why didn't you come sooner? I knew you were at the inn almost a week. I've been there every day. I stood under your window like a beggar.
I was afraid you might hate me. Every night, I dream that you look at me, but don't recognize me. You only knew. Ever since I arrived, I've been walking here, by the lake. I came near the house many times, but I couldn't bring myself to come in. Let's sit down. Let's sit. Talk. Talk. It's nicer and warm and cozy. Listen to the wind. There's a line in Turgenev. Happy the man who on a night like this has a roof over his head and a warm corner of his own. I'm the seagull. No, that's not it. What was I saying? Yes. I was talking about Turgenev. And may the Lord help all homeless wanderers.
Nina, you're crying again.
Never mind. It does me good. I haven't cried for 2 years. Last night I came to the garden to see if our stage was still there. It's still standing. I began to cry for the first time in 2 years. It was a relief to cry, like a weight lifted from my soul. See, I'm not crying now. And so you've become a writer. You're a writer, and I'm an actress. We've been drawn into the whirlpool, both of us. I was happy as a child. I used to wake up in the morning singing. I loved you and dreamed of fame. And now, tomorrow, early in the morning, I must go to Yolet's, 3rd class with the peasants. In Yolet's, the businessmen will plague me with their attentions. It's a coarse life.
Why Yolet?
I've accepted an engagement there for the winter. I have to go.
Nina, I cursed you. I hated you. I tore up your letters and photographs. But every minute I was aware that my soul is bound to yours forever. I can never stop loving you. Ever since I lost you and my work began to be published, my life has been unbearable. I'm so unhappy. All of a sudden, my youth was snatched away from me, and I feel as I've been living on this earth for 90 years. I called to you. I kissed the ground you walked on. Everywhere I go, I see your face, that tender smile that lit up the best years of my life.
Why does he talk like that?
I'm
Why
all alone.
does he talk like
I have
that?
no one's affection toward me, and everything I write is dry and hard and dark. Please stay, Nina, or if not, let me come with you. Why, for God's sakes? Why?
My horses are waiting at the gate. Don't see me off. I'll go by myself. Just give me some water.
Where are you going now?
To town. Is Serena Nikolajevna here?
Yes. Thursday, Uncle took ill and we telegraphed her to come.
Why do you say you kissed the ground I walked on? I should be killed. I'm so tired. If I could rest. Rest. I am the Seagull. No, that's not it. I'm an actress. And so he's here too. Well, it doesn't matter. He didn't believe in the theater. He laughed at my dreams until finally I stopped believing in them and lost heart. And there was the anxiety of love and jealousy, the constant fear for my baby. I grew petty and trivial. My acting lost all meaning. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I didn't know how to stand on the stage. You can't imagine what it's like to know you're acting badly. I'm the Seagull. No, that's not it. Do you remember you shot a seagull? A man came along by chance, saw it, and having nothing better to do, destroyed it. A subject for a short story. No, that's not it. What was I saying? I was talking about the stage. I'm not like that now. Now I'm a real actress. I act with delight, with rapture. I'm intoxicated on the stage and feel that I act beautifully. And since I've been here, I've been walking and thinking and believing that my soul is growing stronger every day. I know now that in our work, Kostya, acting or writing, what's important is not fame, not glory, not the things I used to dream of. The ability to endure, to be able to bear your cross and have faith. I have faith, and it's not so painful now. And when I think of my vocation, I'm not afraid of life.
You found where you're going, but I'm still drifting in a chaos of images and dreams. I don't know why or who it's for. I have no faith, and I don't know what my vocation is.
I'm going. Goodbye. When I become a great actress, come and see me, promise? And now it's late. I'd like something to eat. I'm feeling faint.
Stay. Stay, I'll bring you supper.
No, no, I can't. I really can't. The horses are waiting. Don't see me off. I'll find my way. So she brought him along with her. Oh, it doesn't matter. When you see Trigorin, don't tell it anything. I loved him. I loved him even more than before. The subject for a short story. I loved him. I loved him passionately, desperately. How lovely it was, Kostya. Do you remember how warm and pure and happy our life was? Our feelings were like tender, delicate flowers. Do you remember men and beasts, lions, eagles and partridge, antlered deer, mute fishes dwelling in the waters, starfish and small creatures invisible to the eye? These and all living things have run their sad course and are no more. Thousands of creatures have come and gone since there was life on earth. In vain, the pale moon lifts its lamp. Cranes no longer wake and cry and laugh. And it may be a little silent, a little girl.
I hope no one sees her in the garden and tells Mother. Might upset Mother.
Here's that thing I was telling you about, just as you ordered.
I don't remember. I don't remember.
What was that?
Nothing, probably something in my medicine case exploded. Yes, as I thought. It's a bottle of ether blew up.
So frightened. It reminded me of the time everything went black for a minute.
Boris Alexeyevich, I wanted to ask you something. 2 months ago, there was this article in a review, a letter from America, that interests me. It's a question I want to ask you. Get Irina Nikolaevna away from here somehow. The fact is, Konstantin Gavrilovich has shot himself.